is ArtisanTony, and we're on the job. Here we're framing a modern home in Chattanooga. Just trying to give you a view of it there. But the reason I'm making this video today is I have another little product that 1byone sent me to check out. It is a wireless doorbell, door chime, and we're going to try it out in real life, because if it works well, we'll use it on this house. So again, let's look at this closer. Got our wireless door chime. There's your SKU number. Let's see what this says right here. There's your barcode if you want to get your scanner out. And let's just open it up. See what we got. Got our mobile office going here, so let's do it right here on the mobile desktop. Got a couple of chimes that plug in to a receptacle in the wall up off the floor. Got your button. Got instructions. A little warranty card. Hopefully the wind won't blow this stuff away. What else do we have here? Oh, stickum thing. To stick that on. What I found is that these work better if you take the cover off and just run a screw. Pre-drill a hole somewhere and run a screw into the beside the door. And oh look, they've got a few little nails. What's that all about? Little wall anchors in there, a battery, good. And that's that. So let's get these out. Here's our little instruction manual, which I will not read. I guess I will. Oh, ring volume, 85 decibels, wow. Within 0.5 meters. It's pretty loud. I have to put a suppressor on this thing. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Doesn't that go under there? Apparently it just sits in there, so we're just going to lay it in there. Oh, I see, there's a little retainer clip on the side. I saw this thing and I thought maybe that held it down. Probably does. So, what we're supposed to do is plug this in. I think this is the auto learn button. Cool. So it works. That was too easy. I thought it was going to be like a 12-step process. But you got the volume control here and the mode button. I guess you can change the... Let's see what this does. Change the actual chime. Oh, yeah. I like that one. The traditional. Uh-oh. Well, I don't know. I might have to go with Mozart or Bach or Beethoven, whichever. Which one do you like, Paco?
That sounds like a Christmas.
Sound like what?
Sound like Christmas.
Christmas? Let's see. Okay, so now we're going to do a distance test. Pablo's going to take it up to the temporary up there. That's a good... Let's see, 80, that's a good 120 feet. Let's see if we can hear it, Paco. Oh, I'm going to zoom in. I think I hear it. Hold on, let me try it again. Where's my button? I hear it. That's pretty good. So there's nowhere in the house you can put this and not be able to hear it. So I will have to admit, on more than one occasion, maybe two, I have forgotten to run a doorbell wire in the house. And on one we did end up fishing the wires, but on another one the owner said we could use a wireless door system, which I thought was pretty cool, you know. So thanks Russell for sending me this. Russell and the guys at 1byone are really cool to work with, and I appreciate them sending me this. It'll be used in this home, and when we're done I will do an update video. Thanks a lot, guys. By the way, if you want to follow this project, go to my Artisan Construction channel. Nice.